Hey beauties! In this video, I'm sharing super cute and easy hairstyles for school, perfect for both short and long hair. Plus, I'll show you how to make them even prettier with bows, ribbons, clips, and headbands. These quick and simple hairstyles will be your lifesaver, not just for school, but also for weekend hangouts, or even those, oh no, I have a last-minute event moments. Let's get started. Braided space buns. First, part your hair into two sections and create a thin braid on each side. Then, take slightly thicker sections from behind and make another braid on each side. Next, twist them into small buns and secure them with hairpins. The result is a cute and playful hairstyle. Twin ponytail. First, take a small section of hair from one side and secure the ends with a thin elastic. Now start twisting it and discreetly join it with the underside hair, pinning it in place. Then, gently loosen the twist for a softer look. Repeat the same technique on the other side to create symmetrical low twin ponytails, effortlessly chic. Ribbon hairstyle. Divide your hair into two equal sections. Create two simple three-strand braids. Loosely twist each braid upward and secure with elastic bands. Finally, add ribbons for a charming finish. 3 cute hairstyles for short hair. High ponytail. Create 2 high ponytails first. Then combine both into one high ponytail using a thick elastic band. For extra volume, twist the hair underneath secretly before securing. Half up, half down braided hairstyle. Split your hair evenly down the middle. Take the top half and create a loose Dutch or fishtail braid. Secure your braid with a cute claw clip. Let the remaining hair flow freely, perfect for effortless charm. Ear tucking hair hack. Korean high bun. Take 2 even face framing sections from the front. Gather the remaining hair into a high ponytail on top of your head. Twist the ponytail tightly, then shape it into a neat bun. Add the front sections into the bun as well. Leave the face framing pieces loose and curl them with a straightener for that iconic idol touch. Bow ponytail. Create a natural-looking bow in your hair. It's this easy. Bunny ears hairstyle. Short hair? You'll love this adorable style. Hair clip ideas. Bubble braid. Split your hair evenly down the middle. Twist one section halfway down and secure with a clear elastic. Add a second elastic too, 3 inches below the first. Place a third elastic slightly lower, then a fourth if desired. Gently pull hair between elastics to create bubbles. Half ponytail. Short hair with a bow. Creating this hairstyle is super easy with a curling wand. Braided bun. Divide the horse's tail into 2 equal sections, then braid each one. Connect your braids together and secure them with a clip. Add a satin ribbon bow on top. Hairband styling tips. Heart braid. This hairstyle isn't just a cute school look, it's a versatile stunner for any occasion. Which hairstyle was your favorite? Drop a comment below. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. I post new videos every week. See you in the next video.